Hello there, welcome to Genesis Models. My name's Bobby Waldron and welcome to a Spitfire episode. Although this is technically not much of an episode because, as you probably read from the description, this is going to be about whether we should drop or keep the Spitfire build. There's lots of reasons for this. I know it kind of might sound a bit sad that we're dropping it, and I've never dropped a step-by-step before ever, but after kind of going through a couple of episodes, I'm kind of finding whether or not this is going to be something that you guys are going to be wanting to watch. There's lots of reasons for it. The first one is, well, really the comments that I've received from these episodes so far have been a lot of it's way too expensive, it's a rip-off, and in all honesty, £1,200 is quite a massive price tag for a kit. I mean, yes, it is a really big colossal Spitfire, you know, moving parts and all this kind of stuff, but it's still really a lot of money. And I'm kind of taking, you know, I like to take your feedback, and that feedback is almost saying to me that as much as this is supposed to be a nice build that you kind of maybe build along with me, if there's so many of you out there who are saying it is a really expensive, overpriced build, it's saying to me that nobody's buying it. Well, not many people are buying it, and that probably means that you're not going to be sort of building along, which is a bit of a shame. There are other aspects to it as well. Well, first off was the whole reason why I started this build is Attache Park Works did contact me, and they said we'll send you a free kit if you want to do like a build video of it. And I thought, you know what, sounds like a good idea. The kit looks good, so yeah, why not? Let's do it. But after receiving the kit, when I first received the kit, it did look good. First impressions, it did look good, but as I've been building along, I am kind of finding that really, I mean, let's be totally honest here, this is just a big glorified die-cast model, right? It's not really a true scale model, and because of that, I'm finding it a little bit hard to actually teach you guys anything. And that's what Genesis Models is all about. It's all about teaching you guys how to build scale models, you know, from absolutely everything from building, gluing, filling, sanding, scribing, scratch building, decals, spraying, painting, weathering, the whole works. But really, because this is just a big glorified die cast model, I am really just finding that it is just glue it together, right? Everything is done, it's just glue it together. And really, this is a big colossal build. This is like a 2-year thing. This is once a month for 2 years, receiving these magazines, and I just think that over time this is going to get a bit boring, just me showing you how to glue things together. I mean, I did mention that I did want to actually respray this model, you know, give it pre-shading, post-shading, bleaching, probably make my own decals and stuff. But again, right, I can't really respray a model without the whole model here first, which basically means I'd be spending 2 years just showing you how to glue something together, and then once I've got the model, then I could start showing you how to spray and all this kind of stuff, which is a long period to wait to actually me teach you anything. So it's not really looking very practical in that sense, and I don't think you guys are going to be sort of that interested after so long. It's probably going to end up turning into a bit of a build diary for about 2 years, which, you know, you guys aren't, I don't think you guys are going to find that interesting. As well as what you got to remember is, you know, this Spitfire build is taking up one of my video slots, right? If you guys are interested in this and you really am wanting to watch this, then, you know, that's fine. But if you're not really interested, this is a video slot that I could be going off and going, well, if I drop the Spitfire, I can go do something else, something that you guys want to see, want to watch. And this is what this whole video is about. It's all about, I want you guys to give me your feedback on whether or not I should drop the Spitfire or continue with it. If you're interested in it, let me know, and we'll continue with it. If you guys are kind of like, well, I'm not really, you know, liking this, it's just a big, what it is, a big glorified die cast model, it's way too expensive, I'm not going to buy it, I'd rather see you build something else that would be more interesting, then give those comments, let me know. And basically what I'll end up doing is, the Spitfire is one video a month, right? So basically I normally do it around about the end of the month. So I'll take all your feedback, and next month, at the end of the month, you will either see, depending on what you guys have given me in feedback, you will either see the next episode of the Spitfire, or you'll see a brand new, probably a step-by-step or something, probably something a little bit different to my norm, but it's going to be like a true kind of scale model kind of thing, but it'll be something different and something that I feel like I can teach you, and I think you'd probably want to watch more. But again, you know, it's all about me giving you the customer service for you guys to pick and choose how you want Genesis models to move along, what you guys enjoy viewing, so I can give you what you want basically. So hopefully you're liking that. Hopefully not too disappointed, but as always, this is Genesis Models, and my name is Bob Walden, and I will catch you later.